welcome to my channel. For today's video, I have a furnished apartment tour for you guys. This is actually my Airbnb. So if you saw the empty apartment tour, tag it in up here. You can see that before it has any furniture, and I furnished it and it's ready to go. So I just wanted to make this video and show you guys how everything is looking. Okay, so first we have the doorway, same door. I have a August smart lock here. So this is how my guests are able to gain entry. And then the next thing we added to the entryway is this mirror. I got this round mirror from Home Goods. I have one just like that at my house. I have this wooden table and this little bowl, some decorations, and this bench as well. This bench is from Marshall's, I believe, and the table is from Home Goods. So here's the entryway, how it looks. So that's the entryway. Next thing is we have our beautiful mural wall. So the theme for the Airbnb is concrete jungle or industrial forest or just jungle. So I had my cousin do this, what's it called again? Yeah, a wrap. So I had my cousin, he installed this, he prepared a picture for me. I just chose the theme, told him what I was looking for, and he came in and created this beautiful mural wall for us. So this is our little piece of the jungle. And I think this is going to be beautiful for guests to take pictures in front of or just to like look at and enjoy. And this is just supposed to give the whole house its own little jungle feeling. Next, I got these bar stools here. These chairs are from Wayfair, I believe. I'll try to tag everything below, everything that I remember and I can find it. So I just have these dark green bar stools. Kitchen is still basically the same. I kept the same ideal that I use in my house, which is just very minimal things in the kitchen. Keep it clean and clear. I got this little piece of decoration basically, and I think it's from Home Goods, and a little plant on top. And then I put a blender. And we still have our handy dandy laundry room, all that good stuff that didn't change from the empty apartment tour. And then the other thing I added in the kitchen is this little coffee station. So I just got me a little coffee machine, and I have some coffee and cream and sugar and mugs for the guests, all that good stuff. And of course I added the trash can. Next thing we have is our dining table. So I think this is a cute little table. Obviously, I try to stick to the theme, which is like natural, jungle, forest, wood, everything. So I got this round table from Wayfair, and then I just got some basic plates and wine glasses from Walmart. And these little placemats, I believe, are from Home Goods. Next is our beautiful jungle living room that I love so much. So I got these green couches from Wayfair, and then I got this big tree. This is from Home Goods, or I'm sorry, not Home Goods, Hobby Lobby. And then I got a little TCL TV, and that is from, I don't know, Walmart or something, but it's a 50-inch. And then we have our wood console. Like I said, we want to do everything wood theme, everything natural, everything like foresty. So we got the wood console, we got some wood deco on there, and then the Wi-Fi and the cable and all that good stuff. I think my favorite part of the living room is this super unique table that I got from Wayfair, and it's just made out of real teak wood, and I love it because it's just unique and different, and all the tables are different from each other because it's real and it's natural. So I really love that, and it fits the theme. And then our little end table one on each side. And I like these because they also fit the theme, and they just have like the wooden legs, which I thought was perfect for everything we got going on in here. And then we got some throws and some pillows going. I got some curtains up. I thought the curtains was a great addition to make it nice and stick to the forest jungle theme, but also classy it up a little bit so it could be luxurious. This bench here is my second favorite thing in the living room. I love it. It's so cute. I think it's so classy looking, and it's just this long mustard color bench, and this is from Wayfair as well. And then I got some more plants, and then I have this ladder with some more blankets for guests if they want to use those. And then here is my rug, which I love. Well, our rug, which I love, and I think it ties in all the colors of the living room together. So it has the dark green, the light green, the mustard, the burnt orange, everything going on, and just, yeah, it ties up the living room. And I think it's just as great, so that's that. The next thing we have is the business center. So I just have this desk and this little, again, wood themed lamp. I have this globe from Hobby Lobby. Chair and the table is from Wayfair, I believe. And this map is from Wayfair as well. So we're just sticking to the natural colors, natural theme, everything. And this is how this little section looks. Next thing's next. So the next thing is the bathroom, and it's still pretty plain. I didn't do much. I have some brown carpets in here, and then I just have like white towels and stuff. And here's the counter accessories that I chose, which are just these green little things, and I think they're from Hobby Lobby or Marshalls, somewhere like that. So yeah, keeping it pretty plain in here as well. Still got the views though. So the last thing is the bedroom. So here's how she's looking. Come on in. We have another beautiful mural here on the wall. Another jungle theme, which I love. Our jungle wall again, a different picture. Still the jungle theme, and I love this picture a lot. I like how the sun is like shining through. And then I just got this bed from City Furniture, I think is what it's called. I got this from City Furniture, as well as the dresser, and then I just put a little plant here again. I have this accent chair, and it goes with the living room couches, but I put it in here, and this is from Wayfair as well. And then we have our curtains in here as well. And then I got this mirror, and we also put some LED lights, and there's also LED lights in the living room too. So I think this is a fun little accessory for couples that come. You don't need no TV in here, just be your own entertainment. Turn the lights on, got your mirror, and it's fun time. And then more curtains. Again, the bedroom doesn't have too much going on. Want to keep it kind of open and clean. The goal was to make something unique, but keep it still spacious. And then I just got this wood lamp in here as well. And that's the bedroom. And here's the view. That haven't changed, still the same view. I didn't get a chance to decorate it yet, but maybe one day I'll decorate the city. So the last thing we have is the balcony. So on the balcony, all the furniture is from Wayfair. I got this sweet chair from Wayfair, as well as this rocker chair set and table. I have one just like this at my house, so if you saw my small apartment tour, you saw that. And then I just put some leaves and some string lights and just try to vibe it up a little bit. And that's how she looks. city. So that's all for the decorations, you guys. That's everything I did. As far as like some statistics for y'all, prices and everything, I definitely surpassed the budget that I set for myself. I surpassed the budget that is recommended as far as for building Airbnbs. But my goal wasn't really to create something cheap. It was to create the most unique and something different and give people a feeling of like a getaway and oasis right here in the city, right here in the heart of downtown Orlando. And I think I did just that, but you guys let me know what you think. So comment below how I did. Did I do that? Did I create a jungle right here in the city? So that's everything. I really hope you guys enjoyed the tour. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed my decorations, be sure to give me a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Share this with a friend.